this is a famous paradox, and I'm going to try this out on Grace and see what she decides is the best answer.
Okay.
Right, so we've got two envelopes. This one, envelope A, absolutely, definitely has £1,000 in it.
Yeah.
Right. It's just does.
Yeah.
Okay. Envelope B has one of two options in it. Right? It either has £1 million in it, or it has nothing in it. Now, the thing you need to know is that I know absolutely everything about how Grace makes decisions. Okay? And the way that I've set this up is that she's going to be able to either, the options that Grace is going to have is to either take both of the envelopes, she can have both of them and whatever's in them, or just envelope B.
So I can't just take A.
You can't just take A. You can either take both of them or just envelope B.
Okay.
Right, so when I was deciding how much money to put in, I thought, what is Grace going to do? Is she going to take both of them, or is she going to take envelope B? Now, if I decided, I know what she's going to do, she's going to take both of them, then I put nothing in envelope B. If I decided that what she's going to do is just take envelope B, I put £1 million into envelope B.
Okay.
So the question now is...
But I don't know that.
But she doesn't know how much,
Okay.
because she hasn't thought about what she's going to do until now. She didn't even know it was going to be any envelope situation occurring today. This is a surprise. So, the question is, should you take both of them, or should you just take envelope B?
Both of them.
So you can look at it that way. You can look at it because the amount of money that's in the envelope is whatever is in the envelope. That's not going to change now. So
And that's a safe amount of money.
yeah. So having £1,000 is definitely better than having nothing. But she could, I could have put £1 million in here. I could have put 0 in here. So, but that's whatever's in here isn't going to change. So surely she might as well just take both of them. The thing about that though is, if she takes both of them, I knew she was going to take both of them because I knew what she was going to choose. So I would have put nothing in here, and she would only get £1,000, even though £1,000 is obviously worth having.
Yeah.
She could have had £1 million if she'd just taken envelope B by itself.
Okay.
Because if she'd just taken envelope B, I would have known that's what she was going to do, and so I would have put £1 million into envelope B. So from that point of view, taking both of them, you lose a lot of money.
Yeah, but I don't know that.
But she doesn't know that.
So what's the puzzle?
So the puzzle is, what should she do? This is called Newcomb's paradox. What should she do? Because you can look at it in two different ways. You could argue that she should just take B, because if she just takes B, I would have known this, and I've said if I knew she was just going to take B, I would put £1 million in it, so she would get £1 million. Whereas if she takes both of them, I would have known she's going to take both of them, which means I would have put nothing in here, and so she just gets £1,000, which is not as good, is it?
Yeah.
However, you could argue that the logical thing to do is to take both of them, because no matter what I put in here, it's not going to change now. Whatever's in here is in here, so you might as well just take both of them.
Yeah.
But the problem with that is, if
You're
she takes
ordinary.
both of them, I knew she would do this, and so I would have put nothing in here,
Okay.
and so she only gets
Round and round
£1,000.
it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, the question is, should she just take envelope B, or should she take both of them? And the question we've got for you is, what would you do? Would you take both of them, or would you just take envelope B, given that I know what you are going to do?
Right. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.